Ciao ragazzi, you just picked up a bottle of Prosecco Masottina Via Venti Extra Brut. That is gonna be perfect with very simple cheese and all of your fish dishes. This Prosecco comes from Gorgo al Monticano, the historical estate of the Del Bianco family from Masottina. And actually it's a beautiful story because Masottina was the name that Mr. Epifanio Del Bianco found in the historical palazzo. Glera, of course, but also a little bit of Chardonnay, in this case 15% of Chardonnay, adding some extra fruit-driven character to the wine. What else? Via Venti is like a number 20, is the major avenue, the major street, I should have said, of Conegliano, where Prosecco is born. Acacia flowers, wisteria, some jasmine, so lots of flowers, but also limes, lemons, and grapefruit. That's what I'm getting. I drank a little bit of it because it's really good. It's very dry, which is how I like it. With some sapidity, the lime and lemons just like pop out on the palate. The wine has got almost some saltiness. This is gonna be perfect with some simple, fresh cheese, but also spaghetti with clams is gonna be like, boom, the perfect match. And perché no, some frittura di pesce, some fried fish. It will be a match made in heaven.